Hello and welcome to TW White & Son Suzuki. My name's Matthew, I am one of the salesmen here, and this is a Suzuki S-Cross Motion full hybrid in a lovely mineral grey metallic with silver alloys. So this being a Motion, it does mean it has got a few less features than what the Ultra has, but let's show you some of these on there anyway. So you've got front and rear parking sensors with the reverse camera, indicators on the mirror. Also comes with crossroad traffic alert, so that symbol lights up when there's a car overtaking you. Now this being a 72 plate, it has got some fantastic grip on there as well on these tyres, so not a lot of wear on them whatsoever. So this does have adaptive cruise control as well as radar brake as well, so if you're not quick enough to hit the brakes, it will brake for you. Those are the front LED lights there, as you can see, and then you've got your main beams and high beam down the bottom with the colour coded parking sensors as well. Keyless entry. Now let's show you the interior. So what I'll do is I'll show you inside of the doors and the cloth seats and everything. So you've got front and rear electric windows, as well as lock and unlock, obviously with the electric front windows, but the electric folding mirrors as well. So just by pushing a button, as long as the engine's on, you can do so. This car is in fantastic condition. There are a few marks on the inside of the car, but a full valet will obviously get the remainder bits out, but it's not in bad condition for a 3-year-old car, so you would kind of expect it for a used vehicle nonetheless. But if you have got children or grandchildren, it would be a fantastic car for them. Isofix with over-the-top tether as well. 2 seat settings, so you can actually have it back a bit further than the other one. If you want to feel a bit more laid back, then obviously you can put it like so. Going into the boot now, because this is a full hybrid version, the battery does sit in the boot, so that is your level. There isn't anywhere deeper that boot will go. On non-full hybrid versions, the boot does go a little bit deeper than that nonetheless. But nice big open spacious boot with boot space with a 60/40 split seating there. There's your reverse camera, just situated above the number plate itself. Coming around to the near side passenger door, no marks or staining. There's no disagreeable odours in the vehicle either, so the previous person was a non-smoker, but there are no stains or anything else in there that's going to be godly or anything difficult to get rid of if that was the case. But for a 3-year-old car, it's in relatively good condition. So let's take you around to the driver's seat and we'll sit in and we'll talk about a few of the electronics. So I've shown you the windows and the mirrors there already. So the first thing you'll see when you come into the car is you do have just at the top here your stop start system. Obviously you foot on the brake and then you can tap stop start. You've got eco mode as well, so the eco mode is when you want to be a bit more economical with the vehicle, which means that you can obviously run between electric and petrol between the 2 models altogether. So it does change when it wants to. You don't really get to choose to do it, but it's more for when you're driving faster, or you're going uphill on a car, or uphill with the car, or pulling away. It will kick in electric mode first, and then it'll gradually bring the engine into it. So there is your adaptive cruise control, just on the right hand side, and then your obviously this controls all of the music, as well as obviously changing the mode between the radio stations, or if you want to listen to the music from your phone, etc. It does come with automatic lighting, as well as automatic window wipers. So this car has done just under 28,500 miles. Let's bring you around to where the gear stick is now. So everything's lit up here, so just simple as putting it back. It will never show you on these cars which gear you're on here, but it does show you just into the bottom left hand side, just down there. So if you need to know which gear you're in, it does show you down there, but you can pretty much feel the gears when you're going up and down between them. But it does come with heated seats as well for both driver and passenger. Dual climate control, so you can set a temperature different from each other, or you can have it on the same. Just push the dual button, it'll go back to normal, and then you can obviously set the temperature of what you want it to be inside the vehicle. Bring you up to the screen now. This is compatible with Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay, so you can obviously connect your phone, but it has to be wired in, so that USB just underneath the climate control there. But then obviously if I put this into reverse, you hear the parking sensors kick in. You also get that fantastic camera as well. So this is your bumper line, of course, and then you've got your 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot distance between you and an object in front of you. So it is pretty accurate, but please do use your mirrors still. Well, look, not much more to show you on this vehicle, but I would love to obviously show you a bit more if you come in person. If you want to have a test drive, feel free to give us a call. So 01372 414 414. You can either ask myself, Matthew, we've got the other salesman, Jeff, and then if needs be, our manager, Daniel. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.